the website for 10 cents a meal for school kids and farms, which is what I'm here to talk about. And this started as a small pilot project in the Traverse City region here, where we've been working for years on farm to school with local schools. And the idea was to test out the power that a dime would make. If you had an extra 10 cents into school food service funding for buying Michigan-grown fruits, vegetables, and legumes. And it's a matching 10 cents, so it's keeping federal dollars here because it's usually national school lunch dollars that are used as the extra funding for that. And so I want to talk to you a little bit about the program, about its impacts, and about how you can leverage it for your own communities. And so some of the impacts about it so far, it finished its third year as a state pilot project in this past year. And this is a fact sheet that you can find. You can't see, unfortunately, up there, but there's a tab called Tools. And under Tools, you will find tools for schools, tools for communities, and tools for farms. And under Tools for Communities, you'll find all kinds of things that if you want to share information about the program with your community, so that people in your community know that it exists, or your food service director, or your PTO, or your Chamber of Commerce, or your local farmers. There are fact sheets like this available that you can print off there. You can also just email me and I'll send them to you. And this shows some of the results of the program. So just for example, in the last year, the food service directors in grant-winning schools, they purchased 93 different fruits and vegetables grown in Michigan. They were grown by 143 farms located in 38 counties. And there were 20 additional organizations or businesses that got business, like food hubs and local food distributors and others. So there's been those impacts. Of those 93 fruits and vegetables purchased, different kinds, the food service director said that 67 of them were new, and so that they'd never tried before with their kids. And so they're trying new things. It's a story I told yesterday, but it's one that really hits me, is that I've had multiple food service directors say that their kids have not known what a peach is, a fresh peach. They'd only had canned, clean peaches. And then when they took a bite of it, their faces just lit up. So those are the kinds of impacts that we see from this. We are now at a point, if the governor signs the budget early next week, the House and the Senate have decided to cross out the word pilot project on this and call it a program. And to expand it from it started out, I think, at $250,000 the first year, went up to, I think, $375 the next, $575 the last year. If you've been following it, it's been in certain key, it's grown over time because people have advocated for it. They've taken the fact sheets, educated their community, educated their legislators, so it's grown, but it's been in select parts of the state. So go to $2 million and be available for grant applications statewide, and also available for early child care centers. And that's going to be something new. It's administered by the Michigan Department of Education. Until it's actually passed, MDE cannot spread the word and say to early child care centers that this is available. So this is going to be something new, and we're at a later time frame for getting the grant application out. By this time, previous years, we already knew who all the grantees were, and they were starting to spend their grant dollars. So another thing that you can do is you can help spread the word about this to your school districts and to early child care centers as soon as we get the word that it actually is $2 million statewide and for early child care. And there is, under the Tools for Schools tab, there is a grant application guide, so that can help your schools in that. So in addition to spreading the word about this, the other big message is to be able to find ways that you can support your schools in being successful. So things like the program that Christina just talked about, school gardens and other kinds of activities, doing taste tests, fun taste tests if you're a healthcare provider, and say at the same time, did you know that carrots are good for your eyes? So those are the kinds of things you can do to leverage this and support it for your community.